Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the eufy E25 robot vacuum. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So on the station itself right here, up at the top we have a little lip and it says open. Open that up and that reveals the vacuum bag compartment. And we have our vacuum bag in there. So you would take your old one out that's full and you would discard it. And then you take your new vacuum bag. And we got this little gate right here. That's going to be up when you remove it so you're not having dirt, dust, and debris starting to escape from the vacuum. But then you just take your new vacuum bag and just gently press it down in place, just like so. And that's it. You're all set and ready to go. So very easy, simple, straightforward. Take the old bag out, take your new bag, you just line it up and drop it right back in.